Welcome back, everybody. This is Steve KM9G, and this is day 4 on the vlog with the 705. We are out at the park that is directly next to the Voice of America Museum. There's not a lot of shade here. Most of the trees are kind of short. So let's see what we can do today. I'm going to do a little HF portable work today. Yesterday the antenna didn't work out so well. Sometimes an adventure is what you get when you don't get what you plan for. Today we're going to have a whole nother kind of adventure. Alright, station setup for in the car today, for car adjacent mobile today, is going to be the 705. I know, you're shocked. And we're not going to use the 2-meter HT antenna. Instead we're going to use the QRP Guys TriBand Vertical. I got to dig some coax out of my Go box. And what I have found is that this lanyard that nobody likes on handy talkies goes very well on top of the mast in the little eyelet at the top, to hook into the top of the antenna to hold it all the way up in the air for me, so I don't need to worry about taping it up or anything like that. So it's kind of like reusing gear that you use. I happen to like the lanyards. I don't actually do anything with it, but I happen to like it. It's something to play with. I'm a fidgety kind of person. And let's get this thing up in the air and take a look at how that turns out. It doesn't have to be pretty to work, it just has to work. So that's how I put it up on top of the mast. Like I said, there's a little eyelet up here, and then I run the lanyard through, and then I hook the antenna to it. Nothing special, just get on the air. That's the most important part. So let's take a look at the station today. We have the car that I brought all the stuff with. We've got the bigger Go box with all of the extra radio stuff in it that I didn't have with me yesterday. The 705 sitting on the workbench. And if you take a look at this, the WinCamp coax just disconnected, and the RG174 is connected in its place, and that loops on out to the antenna. I've got the 7-meter light pole from DX Commander, and it's hooked into the chair, so that's not going to go anywhere. And then I've got the QRP Guys TriBand Vertical. It's got 4 radials coming out in a bunch of different directions. And if you haven't seen this one before, there is a build video where Smokin' Ape, Kyle, AA0Z, Sterling N0SSC, and I all built this thing. And this is good for 20 meters straight up the wire, and then you can click in and out these 2 toroids here to give you 30 meters and 40 meters also. So we're going to play around with that a little bit today and kind of enjoy nature. It's 81 degrees, had a lot of thunderstorms and torrential downpours yesterday, so it's pretty humid out. But we're ham radio operators, and we are strong.
My house sits well off the road and it's not seen very well, so that kind of gives me a hesitancy about just having anyone over here to help me.
I say no copy on that antenna.
One of the other controls may be able to pick you up. This is the Papa 4 Sierra Golf Alpha. I'm going to send this over to Kilo Echo 7 Victor Sierra Charlie John. KI0ID, Clay, back to you. I think that call ended in Radio Tango.
Alright, when call and CQ ain't working, we start doing some POTA.
This Whiskey Alpha Sierra Whiskey, Whiskey Alpha Sierra Whiskey. This is Whiskey Alpha Sierra Whiskey. Mark on the end, Echo 2 Golf Tango.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Juliet, Quebec. Kilo Charlie 3, Kilo Juliet, Quebec. Kilo Charlie 3, Kilo Quebec Juliet, 5 Tennis, Quebec. Roger, it's KC3, KJQ, King Jack Queen. You are a 5-8 in Maryland, 5-8 Mike Delta. Grisel, now it's 5 Tennis, Quebec. Thank you for Mike Delta. 3-3. Thank you for Mike Delta. Thank you for the good news. 73 to us then.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
You're India Mobile. Is it Kilo 2 Golf India Romeo? Kilo 2 Golf Radio India Golf Radio India Mobile.
This is why QRP is fun.
Kilo 2 Golf Radio India Kilo 2 Golf Radio India Mobile. You 5-7 Quebec.
This is Quebec into the East Coast.
QSL, thank you for the QSL 73.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Victor. Again, the Kilo Golf only.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Charlie Victor. QSL, Kilo Golf 2 Charlie Victor 57 Quebec.
He asked for the wrong golf station.
You are also 57 into New Jersey from Kilo Golf 2 Charlie Victor, over. Roger, thank you for New Jersey 73. 73. Yeah, the Echo 2 Golf Tango.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Whiskey 4 X-ray Yankee Tango 57 Quebec. QSL, I have you 5757 also into North Carolina, November Charlie.
All East Coast.
For November Charlie 73. Thank 73. On the air, the Echo 2 Golf Tango.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
QSL, Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Woo!
Mike 9 Golf 57 Quebec.
You are 57 Ohio. 57 Ohio. QSL?
QSL, thank you for
73. All right, that got it done. Let's find another one.
Roger, I copy. QSL? QSL, what's your location? I'm in central Massachusetts. QSL, thank you for Massachusetts. Appreciate the contact on the call. 73's, QRZ.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Kilo 8, November into Victor.
No, I said Kilo 9.
Plus into plus 2755, Raleigh, North Carolina. QSL? Roger, thank you for West Virginia and a call back, 73.
I didn't know if he said Q or Z or not. It's like a dead frog on the line.
Sierra.
Ma.
57 into Park 2755,
Wow.
Raleigh, North Carolina. QSL? Roger, thank you for the 58 in Ohio, 73's and QRZ.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
With Kilo Mike 5757 into Park 2755, Raleigh, North Carolina. QSL?
QSL to 57, you are 5'9" into the Voice of America Park. It's not a POTA, but you are 5'9" into the park that I am in. QSL?
Can you please come back with that?
This is Kilo Mike 9 Golf. You are 5'9" into Cincinnati, Ohio. QSL?
Roger, copy the 59 into Cincinnati, Ohio. Appreciate the call and the contact, 73's and QRZ.
Awesome. So I got to stop saying I'm in a park. That's my fault. I actually am in a park, but I'm not in that kind of park. So that's 2 contacts. Not too bad. Let's go grab another one.
Kilo Oscar 4, India, Sierra Golf.
I think Don and Jim were right. If you want to know what it's like to be in the South, take a shower, don't dry off, put all your clothes on. That's about how humid it is here today, too. Really? right, let's spin the dial and find another one. This guy's doing the slowest park activation ever.
From my partner.
Oh, multi-op. So if you're having trouble making contacts, I suggest that you go to poda.app or poda.us and look for people who are actively calling.
Tango, Charlie Tango, Charlie Tango. You are 5959 in Southern Indiana at park number K4187.
Okay, copy the 59 and the K4187. You're 5 and 9 into Virginia, over. Yeah, we'll QSL that old man. 73, you have a great day. You know? Charge that.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Kilowatt 4, Charlie Alpha Echo. Kilo 4, Charlie Alpha Echo, I believe it was. 59. QSL, you're 59, Sugar Charlie. And what is your call sign, please? My call is Alpha.
Sugar Charlie.
Niner, Juliet Tango. My partner is Alpha Bravo Niner, Charlie Tango. And please stand by for her. Okay, I got both your calls.
This is Alpha 89CT.
All right, that was pretty cool. It's fun to see the old couple out making some contacts on the radio, having fun in the park. I'm going to play around a little bit more, have some fun. Who knows?
Tango 0W5DTC calling 40 and listening.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Say it again.
Kilo Mike 9 Golf.
Kilo Mike, and I don't, where's my paper go? Suey. I'll try to remember. Kilo Mike 9 Golf. This is W5DTC. Howdy, and thanks for the call. My name is Bob, and I'm located in the town of Waldorf here in the People's Democratic Republic of Maryland. And I don't know what kind of shape the band's in here. I've been moving a bunch of stuff around. It looks like everything's back in, at least working anyway. So back to you. What's up?
All right, Bob, this is Steve. Call sign here is Kilo Mike 9 Golf. I grew up in Maryland. I spent a lot of time in Waldorf. I know exactly what you're talking about. I broke free about 7 years ago and moved to Wisconsin, and now I am down at the Voice of America Radio Museum in the park right next door in Westchester, Ohio. I'm getting you a strong 5.9 into the park here. I'm 5 watts, portable, using a 705 and a QRP Guys TriBand Vertical. How copy on your end, my friend?
Okay, you're real light, and I think you came back a little fast. I kind of missed what you said.
I do talk
something
fast.
about you moved and then a museum and something else. Say it for me again. Over.
I'm giving her all she's got, all 5 watts.
Okay. Well, it's just real light right now.
Yeah, so this is 40 meters on the QRP Guys TriBand Vertical, so I'm going through both of those coils.
Going on. I'm down around F0 or something. So, well, I think you said you were from in Maryland somewhere.
Let me switch angles.
Ended up out there. I tried to get my girlfriend to.
See, he's not even really moving the waterfall at all, but he's a nice strong signal, as you can hear.
We could go out west.
S1 or so. All right, QRP Portable gets it done. That wasn't as bad as everybody's made it out to be. It wasn't easy. You got to have some strategy. My strategy for today was to go to Parks on the Air website, start looking for people that are doing activations and start calling them. That worked out pretty well. I switched over to 40. 40 was pretty good. Looks like the band isn't quite there yet today, but that's okay. I'm going to keep playing around a little bit more, and I appreciate you coming along on the journey. Today worked out a lot better than yesterday did. Thanks for being awesome. We'll see you tomorrow.